Hello, today we're going to be talking about the best practice for adding chemical to your SaniSpray HP20. Prior to any chemical mixing, please ensure you read the chemical manufacturer's guidelines for proper PPE and mixing instructions. Prior to beginning a new job with your SaniSpray HP20, ensure you read the owner's manual and follow the proper pressure relief procedure. Alright, now that we have a proper PPE on, now we're ready to mix chemical. The mixing process with the SaniSpray product is important, specifically on the HP20, as it draws the material from the top of the flex liner, and that can be problematic with bubbles or foaming on the top. So when mixing with this product, we want to mix in an individual container and add the chemical into the water. By doing it this way, you're not going to have chemical splashing out and creating foam. Once the chemical is added, there may be some bubbles on the top. If there is, wait till those dissipate down, and now you're ready to move this chemical into your flex liner bag. When pouring into the flex liner, you'll see a ring up on here on the top, and you'll want to fill right up to that line, and that will be the best procedure and the easiest use with your SaniSpray HP20. As you can see here, here's the proper procedure for mixing with your SaniSpray HP20. As you can see, there's no foaming on the top. This was done the improper way, where we have all the foam and agitation here, which will make it very difficult to prime your sprayer as it draws material from the top of the flex liner. Now we're ready to prime. The first step in the priming procedure is to perform the pressure relief procedure called out in your owner's manual. Since we've already done that, we're going to start with adding our DeWalt battery into the SaniSpray HP20. Next, we're going to add our flex liner cup lid to the flex liner cup assembly. And you want to screw this snug so there's no chance of air getting back into there and drawing into the system. Our next step is to take off the old cup assembly, inspect that the filter is in place and clean, and we're going to line the prime valve up with the vacuum valve and twist and lock until snug. The next step in the priming procedure is to ensure that the prime spray knob is in the prime position. Once we verify that, we're going to slowly invert the sprayer upwards in a safe direction and pull the trigger for 5 seconds. This is going to prime the sprayer. After that, we're going to slowly invert the sprayer back over into the upright position. Next, tilt the sprayer back so that the vacuum valve air cap is at the highest point of the cup assembly. Then we're going to open the vacuum valve air cap and squeeze the flex liner bag. You're going to continue to squeeze the bag until all the air exits the cup assembly, and you'll see a little of the disinfectant product come into the air hole. Once that is complete, you're going to want to continue to hold the flex liner bag and close the vacuum valve air cap. That's going to prevent any air from re-entering back into the cup assembly. This is an example of not following the proper procedure to prime your sprayer. As you can see, there is a ton of foaming and agitation in here. It's important not to have foaming in your SaniSpray HP20, as you could lose performance and or damage the pump of the sprayer. The last step, the most fun step, is we're going to turn the prime spray knob to the spray position, and now we're ready to spray.